Hero Motocorp's upcoming mid-capacity adventure motorcycle, the XPulse 421, has been spotted testing again. It has now been spotted in Ladakh, one of the highest motorable passes in the world. The test bike carries temporary registration plates and appears to be accompanied by support vehicle and other Hero motorcycles. Testing in Ladakh is significant as the route offers extreme weather, low oxygen level, rough terrain, and steep gradients. Ideal condition for evaluating engine performance, cooling system, suspension setup, and overall durability. While it conceals the most styling elements that several design cubes can be seen, it features adventure touring stance, upright riding ergonomics, large windscreen hand grills, large, long single-piece seat, wire-spoke wheels, long travel suspension, rear luggage side, high-mounted exhaust. The front section is inspired by traditional rally-style adventure motorcycle with vertically stacked design and sizable windscreen. A large TFT screen is visible in the cockpit area, suggesting navigation and connectivity features. Powering will be the Hero's new 421cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine under development. It might produce 40 to 45 bhp, directly placing it against rivals such as Himalayan 450 and KTM 390 Adventure. It appears to have UST front forks, rear monoshock suspension, dual-channel ABS, ride-by throttle, multiple riding modes. They have confirmed plan for a large capacity adventure motorcycle earlier. They have showed sketches of it at ICMA 2024. It will be the flagship of the XPulse range and expands Hero's presence in the premium motorcycle segment. Compared to the lightweight and off-road focused XPulse 210, this will be positioned as a more serious long-distance adventure tourer. The motorcycle might be launched next month this year in November, and the actual launch will take place sometime next year. With the Himalayan 450 gaining strong traction and more mid-capacity ADV motorcycle arriving in India, Hero upcoming XPulse 421 has the potential to become the brand's most premium product in recent years.